How to fix wires transfer stuck. To fix a wires stuck transfer, first of all, when you launch the Wise app, check if any sort of limitation is imposed on your account. To check that, you can come to your profile page from the top left, scroll down and go to the option called limits and see if you have not verified your account or if there is a limit to how much you could send or receive. That could be one of the primary reasons why. Make sure that your Wise account is also verified using your personal documents, because if that is not, you might not be able to send or receive money on Wise. There could also be a couple of things that you can check. Just tap on the payments icon from the bottom right and check if there is any sort of payment that you're associating with. And when you've done that, maybe your bank has not yet sent the money, because it could be that the bank process is getting delayed. This could be a couple of reasons. If none of this helps, you can try to contact the Wise customer support. That way you can fix Wise transfer stuck. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.